All right, this is Ralph back with a rather short video. Sometimes people will ask me why I like X, formerly known as Twitter, better than LinkedIn for my own personal business. And one of the reasons that I really love X better than LinkedIn is the amount of impressions that I get on X. Like, for example, this post here. This graphic I got through our Home Business Academy, and I thought I'd test it out. And I posted this on X and on LinkedIn, both the same time. It was rather late last night. And the difference between the engagements that I'm getting and the impressions are, quite amazing to me anyway. On X, this post has gotten 24 impressions, 2 likes, and 2 engagement. That same post has gotten me only 2 impressions, 1 unique view, no likes, no engagements, and that's it. So yeah, difference between 24 impressions on X and only 2 impressions on LinkedIn. Plus, not to mention that I'm getting likes and I'm getting responses, people engaging with me on X more so than on LinkedIn. So that's why, in a nutshell, I like X. It works for me. So if you're wondering about promoting your business on X, results are not going to be typical, but check it out. See if it works for you. I mean, I've always loved Twitter, and I really do love X as it's transitioning and changing. So it's one platform that I do regularly engage with, and so for me it works. But check it out, see if it works for you in your business. Okay, that's all for now. This is Ralph signing out. Catch you in future updates. Bye bye. As always, please remember to like, share, and subscribe.